Williams, money over happiness?
Well, people are built differently, di ba? Mayroon mo namang iba na magkagusto ng ring, gusto ng happiness, mayroon ding ibang pera. I cannot speak to the mind of Mikey Williams kung bakit gusto yung pera, but if I'm Mikey, why not? Di ba? If you see your value na ganun. So, ito palang update. So, sa narinig ko, I was speaking to Coach Shot Reyes. Coach Shot Reyes, ayaw niya magbigay ng mga figures kasi daw, you know, it's a bad look, ganito, whatever. So, I spoke to the camp of Mikey Williams. So, ito yung latest, ha? Ang hingin ni Mikey daw is $40,000 a month. So, ngayon naman, nang bumalik sila sa akin, sabi, hey, pakisabi nga kay ano, yung asking price is 40, can you tell TNT? Kasi alam nila na I speak to TNT. And, so tinalog, sa anong gusto niyo? Sabi, gusto namin 31. So, that is the lowest that they could accept from $40,000 to $31,000 a month. So, I called Coach Shot Reyes, I think last Saturday. Sabi ko, Coach Shot, ito yung latest. 40 daw talaga ideal price ni Mikey, pero nag-understand naman siya according to his camp na sige 31 na lang. So ang counter naman ni Chot, sabi sa akin ni Coach Chot, nag-offer na kami, binigay na namin kay Nadine. Si Nadine kasi yung daw yung representative ni Mikey dyan. Nadine. Binigay na namin. Sabi ko, magkano, Coach? Sabi niya, wag na natin magkano, basta nag-offer na kami, the figure was there. So bumalik ako sa camp ni Mikey Williams, sabi ko, well, nag-offer na pala. Kung sabi ko, magkano ba yon? Kasi ang offer daw ng TNT, previous salary. Yung last salary niya, last April, di ba? April siya umalis. April 2023 nang nakapa-champion sila.
Magkano,
so yun daw ang
magkano yung previous salary, boss? Magkano yung previous salary? Magkano yung previous salary ni Mikey? Magkano?
$26,000.
Okay. So 31 yung...
Yun ang sabi sa akin ng kampo ni Mikey. $26,000. Obviously with all the bonuses, perks, and all that stuff. And if my sources are right in telling me, boss, yung $26,000, boss, alam mo ba anong kasama dyan? May libre ng apartment.
Po?
May libre ng apartment, may driver pa.
Okay.
So yung 26,000 buong-buo yan, boss. Wala yang bawas, ha? Hindi ka na magbabayad ng apartment, wala ka nang kailangan kotse, may driver ka na.
Lahat sa iyo na.
Tapos yung building may ako, boss, big time pa yung building, TNT yan eh. Saan? Big time pa building, boss. May may doorman pa nga eh.
Saan yung building?
Marami